Conversação em inglês nível iniciante. Vocabulário do dia a dia. Já deixa a sua curtida e se inscreve para mais conteúdos.
Hey Jane, did you eat lunch?
No, I don't have time. I have a big test today at 1 p.m.
You still need to eat, or you won't have energy for the test.
I know. I'll grab something on the way to class.
Fast food?
Yeah, I'll grab a burger.
That's not healthy for you. Let me make you something to eat.
Thanks. But I don't have time.
You never have time to eat a proper meal anymore.
I like fast food anyway. They're quick and fast.
Let me pack you some fruits.
Mom, please. I'm in college now. I can cut my own fruits.
But you won't do it.
I'll take this banana. It's quick and easy. See you later, Mom.
Eat something nutritious.